Waste Control Specialist is proud to partner with Andrews County, the Permian Basin, Lee County, New Mexico, and the state of Texas to provide a Texas solution to an environmental challenge, the safe, permanent disposal of low-level radioactive waste. This partnership, which was formed when the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality granted a low-level disposal license to WCS in 2009, has the unique opportunity to dispose of waste material that cannot be disposed of at any other location in the nation. And each partner has a distinct role. WCS will operate commercial and federal low-level disposal landfills at its site in Andrews County. Disposal should begin in early 2011, following a year of construction. These operations will be conducted under the direction of the Texas Low-Level Radioactive Waste Disposal Compact Commission and the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality. The broad public support for this effort, which is ongoing, was evident when hundreds of Andrews supporters were on hand in Austin when the TCEQ granted WCS its license. The Texas Compact Commission, made up of the states of Texas and Vermont, will determine which low-level radioactive waste can enter or leave the compact. TCEQ is responsible for environmental regulation and continuing oversight of the disposal facility. The license conditions determine the type, volume, and characteristics of waste WCS may dispose of at the compact facility. The need for a low-level disposal solution is unquestioned. Low-level waste is now temporarily stored at sites throughout Texas and our nation, much of it in heavily populated urban areas. This waste results from activities that are essential to modern society and which improve our quality of life, including power generators, hospitals, universities, research institutions, and industrial plants. The WCS site was selected by the state after a thorough 5-year examination. The economic development generated by the disposal facility includes more than 100 jobs during construction, as well as up to 75 good-paying permanent jobs. This will bring our total employment to over 200 employees at the facility. WCS is also pleased that 5% of the compact revenue will go to the state of Texas and another 5% will be paid to Andrews County as a result of this historic endeavor. The disposal facility design is robust and unequaled. The arid climate and geologic conditions make our location ideal. The geology, featuring almost impermeable red bed clay, is unsurpassed. More than 500 on-site borings confirm this fact and demonstrate that the site is not above or adjacent to any underground source of drinking water. The Texas Compact Commission Disposal Facility represents our nation's best possible answer to a very real challenge facing this state and our country. Working together, this partnership, our partnership, is providing the Texas solution.